if you're watching this, you didn't have a match on one or more of these columns, and I'm going to go through where I got these numbers from. I'm going to leave it up here so you can kind of see what's going on, but I'll circle things. So the first column, we'll go from left to right, because that's how I read. The first column, the x's. Where did I get these four numbers? Those four numbers came from the problem. It said x equals -2, -1, 0, and 1. So I put those x numbers into that first x column. That's where I got those from. The middle column, it says that y equals 2x plus 1. That's what it says there. So it's y equals 2 times x plus 1. Well, if x is -2, I just replace x with -2. That's where I got this one. And it says x is -1. So I replace x with -1. And this is x is 0. So I replace x with 0. And that says x is 1. So I replace x with 1. And again, it's just four different examples. It's let's see what happens when x is -2. Let's see what happens when x is -1, etc. For the y column, this is where some of you maybe made your mistake. This is not a question of how does a table work, but simply doing the math correctly. 2 times -2 is going to give us -4. And -4 plus 1, if I'm in debt $4, if it's 4 below, or -4, it's 4 below Fahrenheit, and it goes plus 1 degree, it's going to be 3 below Fahrenheit. So that's where I got that -3. Same thing with the next one. 2 times -1, -2, plus 1. It's 2 below, and it gets 1 degree warmer, it's -1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. So that's how I got the y column. The last column, again, is just matching. If x is, and I'll use the whole, if x is -2 and y is -3, the order and pair -2, -3. X is -1, y is -1, the order and pair xy, -1, -1. And that's how I got that last column. So I just matched them up. Once I had the x and the y, put them together to make an ordered pair. The graphing then, we didn't have the graph correctly set up. Again, it's -2 and -3, and x comes before y. So if this is my x-axis, and that is my y-axis, I go to -2 on the x, and -3 on the y, and the intersection of -2 and -3, that's where I live. That's where this point lives, at -2, -3. Same thing for the rest of them. -1 and -1 is at the intersection of -1 and -1. 0, 1, 0, and 1, and 1, 3, 1, and 3. And that's how we got those points. And again, it should be in a nice straight line like this. Okay, that's how that one's done. Good luck on the questions.